Today is August 6th, 2025. It is a beautiful Santa Cruz day. It's 90 degrees outside. Can you believe that? It's 90 degrees. It's been bouncing back from 89, 88, and finally reached 90 degrees. It's around 2:30 in the afternoon. No, 2 o'clock. It's 1:57. But I am thankful to the Lord for our health. Our health is so like there's not a price to be put on our health. I was sick with a headache all day yesterday. It was horrible, and I had to pretty much be in bed all day, or on the porch here, and then have something to eat and then go back to bed. But I just thank God for my health. Sometimes we have good days, more than others. I do now, but gosh, when you are sick in bed for a couple days, oh my gosh. I didn't even mention, we went to see my parents and my father-in-law, I think it was a week ago, and I ended up getting food poisoning. It was all my fault. When I was in Fresno, had to go to the ER. Anyways, when you wake up and you finally feel better from being sick for a day, oh my gosh, it's just like, wow, thank you, Lord. I'm so grateful. So I had wanted to make this corn salad yesterday. Couldn't do it. Didn't have the energy. Didn't have the strength. So I'm gonna make this corn salad. So I saw this Ninja Crispy on YouTube, and then Jim ended up getting it for us. So we just received it yesterday. I think it's Ninja Crispy. And since we're growing corn. The girl, she made a really neat video. So basically, like, if you don't want to bring out your barbecue pit and grill the corn, you can do it here. And you can do so many other things. You can do sauteed vegetables, meat, things like that. So it smells really good in here. So I'm gonna do a corn salad. And so this corn is from our garden. So we've got some more ears coming. And so anyways, let me just share the recipe. So basically it is, I don't measure, so I got corn from my garden. That's going to be the star of the show. We have tomatoes from our garden. So these ones I picked them several days ago, put them in the refrigerator. These ones also, I'm washing these in apple cider vinegar and water. So they're soaking because those ones are just straight out of the garden. I picked them yesterday, or a couple days ago. And so anyways, this one is an organic bell pepper. I just thought it was so pretty. I had to get it from the store a couple days ago. It's organic, and I don't even like bell pepper, but this one's pretty sweet. Plus, I'm gonna save the seeds, so that's gonna go in my corn salad. And then green onions also, which I need to grow those. Didn't grow those. And then this pasta actually should be done. So I'm gonna throw this in there. Yeah, this is brown rice pasta. It's been going for about 10 minutes now. This is the organic brown rice pasta. I've been buying this since my nephew was a little kid, and he's now in his 20s. So you can buy this anywhere. You can buy this at Food Max, Whole Foods, Sprouts. So this is beeping at me, and I'm gonna put all that salad together. I'm going to add avocado and then mayo, salt, pepper, basil, things like that. So we will, I've got my basil and my rosemary, and I'll probably do chopped onion. Yeah, let's see. Yeah. So yeah, you add whatever herbs. So let's see how this was 10 minutes, and let's see. You just pick it right up. Oh wow, that looks so good. And it smells delicious. I just put a little bit of butter, salt, pepper, and cayenne. I'm gonna let that cool, and then that's gonna be the star of the salad. So since I don't edit, we'll go ahead and make another short video. Just to let you know, it comes with a smaller container too. So there you go. You can let this cool. You can add anything to it. It's portable, so look it up, Ninja Crispy, and stay tuned for the salad.